Hello everyone, today we are going to see the three amazing science experiments that look like magic but are actually science. Stay till the end, the last one will surprise you. Welcome back to my channel, Science Channel. Today we are going to see a simple but amazing science experiment. How a needle can float on water. Take a bowl of clean water. Now place a small piece of needle. So needle will sink in the water. Same time again you take a water and place a small piece of tissue paper on the surface. Carefully place a needle on the tissue. Wait for a few seconds. See, the tissue sinks but the needle stays floating. Why does this happen? Water has a special property called surface tension. The water molecules hold each other tightly and form a thin layer on the surface. This layer is strong enough to support light objects like needle if we place it gently. But if we drop the needle quickly or add soap to the water, the needle will sink because the surface tension breaks. See, observe. Now I am removing that piece of tissue paper, how the needle floats. You can observe clearly there. So just I placed tissue paper with a needle. See, after sometimes you need to remove that one. Slowly, just you don't shake it, slowly have to remove the tissue paper. So you can really surprised by seeing this one, how the needle, see how the needle is floating on the water. Is it magic? So isn't science amazing, right? So you can try this experiment at home and share it with your friends. So really it looks fantastic, right? So you can show to this your kids also, they will feel very happy. See how it is floating. So after some time it sinks. Okay, so the second experiment, lemon in salt water experiment. So here first you have to take 2 bowls of water. Keep one bowl as it is, and in the second bowl, so you have to add some salt. Add some salt. See, I am adding little bit of salt and mix it well. See, slowly you have to mix all the salts in the water. Mix it until it mixes fully in the water. The lemon. See, I have to take one lemon. Now drop a lemon into the first bowl. See, the lemon sinks or stays low in the water. Next, or drop a lemon into the salt water bowl. Whoa, the lemon floats. But why does this happen? This is because of science concept called density. When we add salt to the water becomes heavier and denser. When water is denser than the lemon, it pushes the lemon upward and makes it float. So remember, objects float when they are lighter than a liquid and sinks when they are heavier. Science is simple and fun, right? So next experiment, it is third one, black pepper, water, black pepper and soap experiment. First take a bowl of clean water. Now sprinkle some black pepper on the surface of the water. See how the pepper spreads and floats on the top. Now, so you have to dip your finger in a liquid soap. So gently touch the center of the water surface. So, wow, did you see that the pepper quickly moves away to the sides? But why does this happen? This is because of surface tension. Water molecules stick together and form a thin layer on the surface. The black pepper floats on this layer. When we add a soap, it breaks the surface tension. As soon as the surface tension is distributed, the water pulls away from the soap and the pepper moves along with it. This experiment shows how soap reduces the surface tension, and this is also how soaps helps to remove dirt and germs. Amazing, right? So if you like these videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun science experiments. Thank you for watching this video. I will come back with the next video. Until then, bye. Thank you.